Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that can be super frustrating. The Wi-Fi icon has disappeared from your laptop. Don't worry, I'll walk you through several methods to reset the network and hopefully get that icon back. Let's dive right in. The first method is to run the network troubleshooter. In the same Network and Internet settings, scroll down and click on Network Troubleshooter. This tool can automatically detect and fix issues. Just follow the prompts. If after troubleshooting the Wi-Fi icon is still not there, go to the control panel. Select Network and Internet. Internet options. Go to Advanced. Restore advanced settings. Reset. Check if the Wi-Fi icon appears. If that doesn't work, try the next method. Press Windows plus the R key and type services.msc. Scroll down and look for WLAN autoconfig. Check to see if it is running and on automatic. If not, right-click and go to Properties. Set the startup to automatic and press Start, then save and restart your PC. Mine is already running, so I'm just going to exit. Go to Network and Internet settings. Go to Change Adapter options. If the issue is fixed, you should be able to see the Wi-Fi adapter here. You just have to enable it, or disable it, then enable it. If we're still having issues, let's reset the network settings. Your PC will be restarted. After restarting, click on the globe icon to check if the Wi-Fi icon is back. The Wi-Fi icon is now back. I hope you were able to solve the problem with either of the mentioned methods. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.